Are your Microsoft SDK application failing because of the Uispy.dll DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Quickly resolve Uispy utility inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Uispy utility, the core execution library for the Uispy utility, part of the Windows SDK. It allows developers to inspect the UI element tree of other applications. While primarily for devs, its absence causes module not found errors in specialized automation scripts that attempt to spy on Windows buttons and text boxes. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Uispy utility. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Uispy utility file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Uispy utility DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Uispy utility. If this fix repaired Uispy utility dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.